Okay, so y'all asked for them. We have them for the Expedition. We have them for the Ranger 1500. Well, now we have them for the Ranger XP 1000, the all-new Thumper Fab Fender Flares. Let me tell you something. I personally tested these, and they actually approve and pass the test tremendously. They keep your machine protected, and they keep your machine clean. So I know we're going to have this question asked, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to beat you to it. Yes, you can still access your bed and be able to dump it with the fender flares still attached. I mean, how clean is that? So in this design, we did a form fitted, so it's wide where you need it, and then it slims up so where you can fit through that trail. So are you ready to keep your machine protected and clean? Find these on the website, thumperfab.com, or find a dealer near you, and I'll see you on the trails.